Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to make chicken samosa. You most probably have tried a potato samosa, but today we are going to make chicken samosa. So this is like one of the basic recipes and you're absolutely going to love it. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video and let's know how this chicken samosa is made. First of all, I've taken a pot and I'm going to add some of the water in it. I've turned the flame on. With that, I'm adding green and black cardamom. And with that, I'm adding boneless chicken. I'm taking 150 grams of boneless chicken and I have cut it into smaller pieces. Now I'm going to let it cook unless and it turns out to be brown in color. This is like boiling a chicken. This sounds like. First of all, I'm going to add salt, about half teaspoon. You can add it according to your taste, but half teaspoon would be more than enough. Now you can see it has started out to be white in color. We are going to cook it until it turns out to be tender. I have covered it with a lid so that it boils quite well. Now after boiling, we will put them aside. We will move towards the next ingredient. I have taken some of the all-purpose flour, about 2 cups, and with that I am going to add water, salt and water in it. We are going to make a dough out of it, so the dough should be soft, and that's all we needed. So I'm doing it with my hand. If you're not comfortable doing it with your hand, you can wear gloves or do it with a spoon. Well, it is more easier to do it with your hand. Hit the dough with your hand, and with that I'm applying some of the oil onto the dough. And now we're going to put it aside as well, and it's time to shred the chicken. While I am shredding this chicken, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button? Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. We can see the chicken is almost shredded. Now we will take it into a separate bowl and then we will add some of the spices in this chicken. And you can also add some vegetables if you like to. That's really up to you. Now I am going to add some of the cabbage. You can add vegetables according to your preference. You can miss cabbage or miss onion. I'm adding onion as well. And you can also add the capsicum. It's really up to you. With that, I'm adding spring onions and some of the garlic. Now I'm going to add chopped green coriander and green chilies, and some of the salt. You can add it according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric and red powder. You can add chilies according to your taste. With that, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can skip this part as well, and some of 1 tablespoon of ketchup. We'll combine all these mixtures and then we will move towards the dough part. Sprinkle some of the flour into it and spread this dough. Make a big ball out of this dough. Then roll it out and cut it into smaller pieces. Cut it into 4 pieces, one by one. Then put some of this stuffing in each slice. Or you can just follow the same process like I'm doing it. Just follow it up. Take some water and flour and cover it and then make a samosa out of it. Follow the same process like I am doing there. So I made a glue out of water and corn flour. We can say the flour, whatever flour you can take. So this is how the glue is made. Follow the same process for all the samosas and make a triangular shape. Well, I'm going to do it for all of these 4 and then we will move towards the frying part. After doing the same process with all these 4 samosas, and put it into the oil that we have preheated and let it fry up one by one. Well, these are like one of the tastiest and healthy snack and you are absolutely going to love it. If you want to try this recipe, do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section whether you like this video or not. We're going to fry it until it turns out to be golden and brown in color. Well, take a plate, put some of the tissue paper if you're not comfortable with the excessive amount of oil. Place some tissue paper onto the plate and then place these samosas one by one on the plate. And these are ready to be served. You can eat it with some of the chutney or raita or whatever you want to eat it with. You can eat it with imli chutney that is made out of imli. So do try this recipe, and if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and your family. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching.